Hello students, in this video I am going to share with you the working of a tunnel diode. Before that, let us have the introduction with tunnel diode. What is tunnel diode? It is nothing but highly or heavily doped semiconductor diode in which the electric current decreases as the voltage increases. And in this diode the electric current is caused by the tunneling, and it is also used as a very fast switching device in the computers. And the circuit symbol of this tunnel diode, which is shown in the figure, having the two terminals, anode and cathode, and the p type semiconductor which acts as a anode, and n type semiconductor which acts as a cathode. And already we know that anode is positively charged electrode which attracts the electron, and cathode is negatively charged electrode which emits the electrons. In tunnel diode, n-type semiconductor emits or produces the electrons, so it is referred as a cathode. Similarly, in p-type semiconductor, this p-type semiconductor attracts the electrons which are emitted from the n-type semiconductor, so it is referred as a anode. And we will discuss briefly what is tunnel diode and how it works. Tunnel diode is one of the solid state electronic device which is invented by Leo Isaki in 1958. He observed that if a semiconductor diode is heavily doped with impurities, and it will shows negative resistance. Negative resistance means the current across the tunnel diode which decreases when the voltage increases. And this tunnel diode is also called by the name Isaki diode, which is named after the Leo Isaki for his work of tunneling effect. And the operation of this tunnel diode, which is totally depends on the quantum mechanics principle known as the tunneling. Here I am using the word tunneling again and again. What it is? In electronics, tunneling means the direct flow of electrons across the depletion region from n side conduction band into the p side valency band. And the germanium material is commonly used to make the tunnel diodes. Now we will study the width of the depletion region in tunnel diode. The depletion region is nothing but what? It is a region in a PN junction diode where mobile charge carriers are absent, and this depletion region which acts as a barrier because that opposes the flow of electrons from n-type semiconductors and holes from p-type semiconductors. And the width of depletion region which is totally depends on the number of impurities added, and these impurities are the atoms introduced into the p-type and n-type semiconductor to increase the electrical conductivity. And if a small number of impurities are added to the PN junction diode, at that time we can see a wide depletion region. And if large number of impurities which are added to the PN junction diode, at that time we can observe narrow depletion region. And in this tunnel diode, the p-type and n-type semiconductor is heavily doped. It means a large number of impurities are added into the p-type and n-type semiconductors, and this heavy doping produces a narrow depletion region. And in tunnel diode, the width of the depletion layer which is narrow, so applying a small voltage the current produces in the tunnel diode, and the tunnel diodes are capable of remaining stable for a long duration of time than the ordinary PN junction diode. They are also capable of high speed operations. Now we will discuss the concept of tunneling. The depletion region or the depletion layer in the PN junction diode, which is made up of positive ions and negative ions. Because of these positive ions and negative ions, there exists a built-in potential, and because of this built-in potential, the depletion region which exerts the electric force. And one more thing I have to remember, the valency band and the conduction band energy levels in the n-type semiconductor are slightly lower than the valency band and conduction band energy levels in the p-type semiconductor. This difference in the energy levels due to the difference in the energy levels of the dopant atoms. This is about tunneling, which shown in the figure. Here the valence band and conduction band. Here the valence band and the conduction band energy levels in the n-type semiconductor are slightly lower than the valence band and conduction band energy levels of the p-type semiconductor. So this is about the concept of the tunneling, and we will discuss electric current in tunnel diode. In tunnel diode, the valence band and the conduction band energy levels in n-type semiconductor are lower than the valence band and the conduction band energy levels in the p-type semiconductor. Because of this, the conduction band of the n-type material overlaps with the valence band of the p-type material, which shown in the electron tunneling in the p-n junction, and according to the quantum mechanics, the electrons will directly penetrate through the depletion layer if the depletion width is very small. The depletion layer of the tunnel diode is very small, maybe it is in the order of nanometers. So the electrons can directly tunnel across the small depletion region from n-side conduction band into the p-side valence band. In ordinary diodes, the current is produced when the applied voltage is greater than the built-in voltage of the depletion region. But in tunnel diode, a small voltage which is less than the built-in voltage of the depletion region in the region is enough to produce the electric current. So here the electrons directly tunnel from the conduction band of the n-type region to the valence band of the p region. Therefore, the electric current is produced in the tunnel diode. This is about the electric field in the tunnel diode and the symbol of the tunnel diode and the brief introduction of the tunnel diode.